Painting EIFS synthetic stucco. Due to its energy efficiency and adaptability in design, synthetic stucco, also known as EIFS, exterior insulation in finished systems, is a popular option for exterior wall cladding. To maintain its beauty and shield it from the weather, it will eventually need to be repainted, just like any outdoor surface. Here is a step-by-step instruction manual for painting synthetic stucco. Step 1. Make the surface ready. It's crucial to adequately prepare the surface before painting. To begin, pressure wash the stucco to get rid of any dust, filth, and cobwebs. To prevent harming the stucco, use a low pressure setting, 200 psi is advised. Next, wait till the stucco is completely dry before continuing. Depending on the temperature and humidity, this could take a few hours or a few days. Step 2. Fix any flaws or damages. Now is the time to fix any cracks, holes, or other deterioration in the stucco. Any holes or cracks should be filled with synthetic stucco that has been approved, and the surface should then be troweled smooth. You might need to apply a skim coat to smooth up any rough or uneven stucco. An extremely thin layer of artificial stucco made of cement is applied over the surface of the real stuff to smooth out any blemishes. A trained expert in exterior insulation and finish system typically performs this. Prime the surface in step 3. It's time to put a coat of primer on the surface once it has been restored and made smooth. Primer aids in improving the surface's ability to hold paint and aids in sealing any pores. Make sure to use a primer that is intended particularly for use on synthetic stucco when making your selection. Primer made of acrylic or primers specifically made for EIFS are two excellent choices. Paint the stucco in step 4. It's time to apply the paint now that the surface has been adequately cleaned and prepared. It is crucial to use a premium, 100% acrylic paint when painting synthetic stucco. For external surfaces, acrylic paint is the most resilient and long-lasting alternative. It also has great adhesion and weather resistance. Use a sprayer, roller, or brush to apply an even coat of paint when painting. Follow the manufacturer's advised drying intervals between coats to provide a uniform, smooth finish. Protect the paint in step 5. Applying a clear sealer or topcoat once the paint has completely dried is a good idea to preserve the paint and increase its lifespan. Acrylic sealants, polyurethane sealants, and silicone sealants are just a few of the choices available. Due to its longevity and resistance to the elements, acrylic sealants are typically the most preferred option for external surfaces. Additionally, they are UV resistant, which helps to shield them from fading in direct sunshine. Conclusion: it takes some planning and careful attention to detail to paint synthetic stucco, but the results are well worth it. These procedures and the appropriate supplies will help you give your stucco a brand new appearance that will last for many years.